All right, let's jump right in. Today we're going to tackle a problem that, well, if you're in any kind of fast-moving industry, you know this one all too well. We're talking about technology training that just can't seem to keep up with technology itself.
I mean, really think about it for a second. Have you ever been there? You sign up for a course, you're excited to learn the latest and greatest, only to find out the material is talking about software or methods from like 2 years ago? It is so frustrating, right? And it's that exact common experience that we're going to unpack today.
So why does this keep happening? Well, it pretty much all comes down to something we can call the training time lag, and it's baked right into the traditional way we create this kind of educational content.
Yeah, at the very heart of this problem is this thing called the courseware development cycle. It's the formal, step-by-step process that companies use to build out their training. And look, it sounds all official and thorough, but that rigid structure, that's exactly what creates the time lag we've all felt.
And this right here, this is the direct result. It's so simple, but so powerful. While the course creators are bogged down on a development cycle that takes months, the actual technology they're trying to teach has already moved on. And that means students are getting a raw deal, learning things that might have already changed, or even worse, are totally obsolete.
Now, this isn't just, a small annoyance for a few people. It's a huge, industry-wide problem. And when we start talking about professional certifications, oh man, the issue gets way, way more serious. I just love this phrase from the source material because it perfectly captures the scale of the problem. For certifications, the delays aren't just a little worse. They are exponentially worse. The entire system is just supercharged with bureaucracy.
Okay, so why? Why does it take so long? This slide shows us exactly why. Just look at these steps. It kicks off with a super long job task analysis, or JTA, just to figure out what should be on the test. Then, every single question has to be written to be legally defensible, which means it has to be fair, totally unambiguous, and tied directly to an objective. Then, it goes through global reviews, translations, all before it can finally get rolled out. Every single one of these steps adds weeks, sometimes months to the timeline. And here it is, the result of all those steps. From the moment someone decides to create a new certification to the day a student can actually take the exam, it can take up to a year, sometimes even longer. And in the tech world, a year is basically an eternity.
And this is the bottom line. This is what really matters. We're not just talking about wasting time or money here. In fields like cybersecurity or cloud infrastructure, using outdated information isn't just wrong, it can be genuinely dangerous. It can leave entire systems and companies totally vulnerable.
But what if there was a better way? A way to completely break this cycle and deliver training that's, actually current? Well, there is. And it's called the Agile solution.
I mean, this slide just lays it out so clearly. Instead of taking months or even a year, think hours and days. Instead of material that's obsolete the second it's released, you get content that is constantly current and relevant. And instead of some one-size-fits-all course, you get training that's actually customized to what people do in their jobs. The difference is, well, it's night and day.
So what does this actually look like in the real world? Let's take a look at an organization that's pioneering this whole Agile approach. It's called Virtualization Options LLC, and they're a technology education firm based out of Colorado.
This company is the brainchild of its chief technologist, Bob Slavic. And he's an industry veteran who didn't just see this problem from a distance, he lived it. He experienced it firsthand. I mean, look at this. He's been a technical trainer, a courseware developer, a virtual lab designer. He's seen every single bottleneck in that old traditional process we just walked through. And that firsthand experience was absolutely the key to figuring out a new, much more agile way to do things.
So how do they do it? How do they get that speed? Well, the secret sauce is using technology to solve the technology training problem. Instead of a slow, manual process, they use advanced AI and other research tools. This means the entire development to release cycle gets compressed from months and months into just a fraction of the time.
And the coolest part is, you can actually see what this kind of rapidly developed up-to-the-minute content looks like for yourself, like right now.
Virtualization Options LLC has put together this amazing resource called the Lifelong Learning Portal. And honestly, it's a fantastic demonstration of their ability to produce high-quality, relevant training and do it fast.
You can find the portal at the URL you see on the screen. It's basically a hub for all of their publicly available courses and educational content.
So what's on there?
Well, you'll find hundreds of courses, and they're all free. They cover a huge range of subjects, both technical and non-technical. But here's the real key. New stuff is posted every week, and the older courses are constantly being updated. This really shows how that agile model completely avoids the time lag we were talking about earlier.
And it's not just about the public courses. This agile model also means that training can be tailored directly to what a specific organization needs, their policies, their tech stack, their unique goals. So, for anyone out there who's thinking about how this could be customized for their own organization's training, the contact info is right there for you.
Which brings us to our final question, and it's one to really think about. In a world where tech changes in the blink of an eye, is your team's knowledge actually keeping pace with it all? Or is it falling behind?